You'd think it would seem rather obvious to use a professionally taken headshot for yourself on your LinkedIn profile. And yet I'm constantly amazed at how many contacts in my network fail to do this one basic thing. I see company logos instead of a photo, a nice picture of a landscape instead of them, a photo of them holding an alcoholic drink at a party, playing on a flight simulator, a photo from 15 years ago, or worst of all, no photo at all. LinkedIn is a serious business networking site, and you need to make sure that you're presenting yourself in the most professional way possible as an opinion former and thought leader in your industry. LinkedIn users with a headshot get 14 times more views than those without. Not having a photo on your LinkedIn profile subconsciously infers that you have something to hide or don't want people to know too much about you, or worse still, that your profile is a fake one. My name is Steve Bruce, and I'm a Hong Kong-based independent LinkedIn trainer and coach. I help senior executives, business owners, and corporate teams to present themselves powerfully on LinkedIn. At webinar number 2 in my bite-sized LinkedIn series, we'll be taking a deep dive into the topic of headshots. I will show you the tips and tricks that you need to know to make a winning headshot that will present you professionally to the market, even if you're just using your iPhone to do it. To learn more, get in touch with me at stevebruce@sbconsulting.com.hk. I'm looking forward to helping you soon.